Today we'll discuss direct and inverse proportions exercise 10.1 part 2. Before we get into the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos on proportions. Fifth problem. In a ship of length 28 meters, height of its mast is 12 meters. If the height of the mast in its model is 9 cm, what is the length of the model ship? So this is a direct proportion problem. In direct proportion, we know that x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2 is equal to some constant. Therefore, here x1 is 28 meters, y1 is 12 meters. So, if y2 is 9 cm, we have to find x2 because some of them are in meters and some are in centimeters. We'll try to convert everything into centimeters. So, we'll write 28 meters as 2800 cm by 1200 cm is equal to x2 by 9. Therefore, x2 equal to 2800 into 9 by 1200. After simplification, it becomes 21 centimeters. Therefore, length of the model ship is 21 cm. A vertical pole of 5.6 meters height casts a shadow to 3.2 meters long. At the same time, find the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10.5 meters high and the height of a pole which casts a shadow 5 meters long. So, in direct proportion, x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. So, in the first bit, x1 is 5.6 meters, y1 is 3.2 meters. We know x2 is 10.5 meters because the length of another pole is 10.5 meters. So, we have to find the length of shadow. So, y2 we have to find out. So, 5.6 by 3.2 equal to 10.5 by y2. Therefore, y2 equal to 10.5 into 3.2 by 5.6. Therefore, y2 equal to 6. Therefore, length of the shadow is 6 meters. Second problem. x1 is 5.6 meters, y1 is 3.2 meters, x2 is, we don't know x2, y2 is 5 meters. Here we know the length of the shadow. So, we have to find the height of the pole. So, x2 we have to find out. So, 5.6 by 3.2 equal to x2 by 5. Therefore, x2 equal to 5.6 into 5 by 3.2. Therefore, x2 equal to 8.75. Therefore, height of the pole equal to 8.75 meters. A loaded truck travels 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? This is also a direct proportion x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Here x1 is given 14 km. Y1 is 25 minutes. But we have to convert this into hours. So, this is 25 by 60 hours. Y2 is given 5 hours. We have to find x2. Therefore, 14 by 25 by 60 is equal to x2 by 5. Therefore, x2 is equal to 14 into 5 by 25 by 60. That is equal to 14 into 5 into 60 by 25. After simplification, x2 equal to 128. Therefore, distance travelled is 168 km. If the weight of 12 sheets of thick paper is 40 grams, how many sheets of the same paper would weigh 161 2 by 3 kilograms? So, in direct proportion, x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. x1 is 12 sheets. y1 is 40 grams. That is equal to 40 by 1000 kilograms because 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So, let us convert this into kilograms because y2 is given in kg. 16 2 by 3 kg is 16 3s are 48 plus 2 50 by 3 kg. We have to find x2. Now, 12 by 40 by 1000 equal to x2 by 50 by 3. Therefore, x2 equal to 12 into 50 by 3 by 40 by 1000. So, x2 equal to 12 into 50 into 1000 by 40 into 3. After simplification, x2 is 5000. Therefore, number of sheets required equal to 5000. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.